Hi friends, welcome to my channel Started Friend. Today I'm going to talk about this cryptocurrency, that is WLF Coin or World Liberty Financial Coin. In this video I'll be talking about latest technical analysis. So let's begin. So you can see that I'm in the monthly chart. So let us draw the trend line. So you can see this is the resistance trend line, okay, and this is the support trend line. So within this channel pattern only the fall is taking place, so you can see that very clearly. And this is the resistance trend line, and this is the support trend line. And if you go to the weekly chart also, you can see continuously the candles are falling in this downtrend channel pattern. And previously you can see candles came down support, then it went up, and now continuously the candles are falling. So if you draw the trend line, so you can see previously candles were moving in upward direction, and then you can see the breakout happened, and then candles were falling continuously in this downtrend channel pattern. So this is the support trend line, and this is the resistance trend line. So continuously you can see the candles are falling in this downtrend channel pattern. Okay, so once the breakout happens from this channel pattern, so continuously it is falling like this, and once the breakout happens, then candles may move to this resistance level, which is around 0.142298, and from here again the fall may take place. So previously also you can see candles went up to the resistance level, and then fall happened. After this breakout again the candles went up, and now the fall is taking place. Okay, so if you go to this like daily chart, you can see that candles are moving in this downtrend channel pattern, and you can see that after the fall the candles have gone up. Now candles are falling continuously. Okay, so if you draw the trend line, you can see this is the support trend line, this is the resistance trend line, and now it has given a breakout. Now candles are falling continuously in this channel pattern. You can see that this is the support trend line, and this is the resistance trend line. So within this channel pattern only the fall is taking place. So candles may fall continuously in this downtrend channel pattern, and it may come down to the support, which is around 0.020407, and then from there it may start moving in upward direction. Again the fall may take place, again may go up. So like this the candles are falling in this downtrend channel pattern. You can see that, and once the breakout happens from this channel pattern, then candles may start moving towards this resistance level, and then fall may take place. So like this the candles are falling in this downtrend channel pattern. And always have a stop loss to prevent any major loss. Suppose after this breakout you can see the candle started moving up, and if you have an open position here, you should have a stop loss below the support trend line. So if the price goes up, you make profit. If it reverses, you can exit with the help of the stop loss. So stop loss will help you to exit without losing a lot of money to the market. So stop loss is very, very important. So now we'll talk about other important details about this cryptocurrency. So you can see this current price is $0.06137, and the rank is around 39 position. Around 86k users are following this cryptocurrency. Market cap is 1.95 billion. Volume in 24 hours is 58.87 million, and total supply is 100 billion. Circulating supply is 31.77 billion. Okay, maximum supply is 100 billion, and holder count is 145.80k holders for this cryptocurrency. So in 24 hours the you can see it has gone up by 2%. The price have gone up by 2%. Okay, so if you go to the weekly chart, you can see here also you can see candles have gone up, and from here again the fall may take place. So because of that reason the candles are moving in a upward direction. So after this fall the candles have started moving up, and after hitting this resistance then candles will follow support. So like this it is falling in this downtrend channel pattern. Okay, so that's all for now. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel, and this video is for educational purpose only, no financial advice. Do your research before you take up any decision. Thank you and have a nice day.